So this video is about the making of a manual hollow block. What you're looking at here is how a manual hollow block is being made. It's a size 6. There's the muck. It's not so wet. And they have that like a platform that he already made ahead. And this is how he made it. The form that we had made, put it there. That's the hole. So this is one of the things that the welder, the one that passed away, has made for me. There, he put on his muck. Okay, thank you, ga. Then he will have to press it down to tighten up the muck inside. Then they have this presser as well. Then pull out the holes. Then open up the shape. Cool. And that's the block with the platform that is there to be dried up. Mga pila ka adlaw ang dry? Mas ka adlaw ra?
Adlaw ma.
They have to be baked on this under the sun for a day. So again, this is how he makes it. Put on the platforms. Get the forms first. Put enough muck to reach the level of the hole. And he will press it inside the presser that he made. Press all the corners. Then he will put on the thing for the middle. For the holes where you put your muck. Then he will fill it up with the muck. So you can see the process is quite easy. For anyone who don't like how the density of commercial blocks are, because I know when I feature that in some of my videos, a lot of you has comment that they want to make their own hollow blocks. So now I'm showing you the manual way of making the hollow blocks, so you can have a strong block, not like the commercial where they're making 145 in one sack, and that's really very weak, and it's just as not load bearing. These blocks here are actually load bearing. It's just unfortunate that it was not used to its potential. There you go. That's how to make a manual hollow blocks. So ang mix, pila ka buk ang sako ana los? Pila ka sakong bas?
Kuha na siya, pito ka bahas, ma'am.
Nga, what usa ka sakong semento. So one sack is 1 to 7. 7 sand and 1 cement. That will make about 25 blocks.